Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss PF54, that is OAuth common client vulnerabilities. And then we have some parts of this, like it will be total like 1 to 7. So we'll just cover like all the parts of that vulnerability. So let's discuss about the OAuth common client vulnerability. So let's begin.
PF54 and today we'll discuss about OAuth common client vulnerabilities. So this is basically the section of vulnerabilities where we'll try to understand on the what the vulnerabilities can come on the client side, then on the token side, and then on the resource side. So we'll try to understand in each section. It's like one, like let's say common client vulnerabilities can take 3 to 5 sessions. In that we'll try to understand that what are the vulnerabilities we need to ensure while designing that solution. So and we'll try to understand the practical ways to prevent them, because if you can just design a solution and you can leave that vulnerability section, yeah, it can be a security breach, right? It can be a way to attackers to just get access to your environment and yeah, just degrade the securities and other things. So we'll try to understand like what are the vulnerabilities and how we can prevent them. So in today's section, just let's discuss on the section part. So let me go to the next slide. So yeah, in the OAuth ecosystem, there are many more clients than other types of components, both in variety and in numbers. So what should you do if you are implementing a client? Will your implementation be bulletproof? So in this section, we are going to look at a few common attacks against clients and discover practical ways to prevent them. So here you can see that so we are now talking on the common client side. So on the common client, we have some section. So in the first section, we'll talk about the general client security. Then on the second section, we'll try to talk understand about CSRF attack against the client. Then on third part, we'll try to understand theft of client credentials. Then on part 4, we'll discuss on registration of the redirect URI, like what is the best method for that, and how the vulnerability can, what are the vulnerabilities in that. And then in that section only, like we have two subparts. We'll try to understand it, stealing the authorization code through the referrer, how that is happening. Then stealing the token through an open redirector. So these are the way through which your communication, you what we understand in our previous sessions, in case of authorization code, PKC flow, all right. So how those things can be compromised and how we can prevent them by putting the practical way. Then you have the theft of authorization code in the part 5 section. Then part 6, the theft of tokens. And then at the last, we'll try to discuss on the native application best practices. I think you already know now what is the best practice for the native application. It should be the PKC. But yeah, we'll discuss again, and then we'll just conclude this section, and then we'll jump to the next one on the resource side. We'll discuss again. We have some section there, and we'll try to understand. Okay, so let's begin, and on the next session, quickly we'll jump to the general client security. Yeah. If you have anything, you can put in the comment section, so we'll discuss again. Thank you.